Ronit, Pratik. Yep. So guys, just call your teammates and everyone, those who are already there in the there in the live. Please come on and let's have a bang together, right? Because today we are starting our month-long journey of Hello World Hacks, and we'll be spending next 1 month together. So hi, Shuto. Yeah, hi, Orko. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Nidjar, please handle the live chat and all. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll start in a few moments, definitely.
Hello World Hacks. Nice.
Hi, Devkanto. Hi,
Hi Rupsha. Hi the Proto.
GM. Yeah, the sun
Nice.
never sets in Web3. GM. Hi, Shomoshish. Hi, Meghani. Waiting to spend a month-long journey with everyone. Hi, Bhumika. Hello.
ভাই লোক বাড়ছে কিন্তু আমাকে 30টাই কেন দেখাচ্ছে
No,
ও
it's
40 নাইস
40.
নাইস ইয়া
Okay, so I think we can start from 8:15 around, hopefully. Just put once in the Discord as well. Yeah,
okay
call in your friends and anyone who still hasn't registered, call them as well because we'll be discussing what the flow will be around. There's a lot of kind of confusion that what will be like the flow or what the things will be going on. So yeah, we'll clear it out why it's month long, not 1 or 2 days that you see traditionally happening. So yes, this will be kind of a interactive session.
and one more thing today also means sorry guys for that not announcing the LinkedIn winners. We announced the meme winners but we didn't announce the LinkedIn winners, LinkedIn post winners. So I am sorry. So I have brought a very good deal for you guys. So let me disclose when I get okay লোকজন drop করছে কারণ I need more people. So when it gets a bit more people, I'll be disclosing the thing. Okay, so I need everyone in this session.
Maybe we can start from 8:15 around.
Yeah, and we'll be having some giveaways in this session as well. Okay, so yeah, please be ready with the things. Yeah, I'm also ready with my setup and all. So yeah, I take a phone, I take a laptop, good to go. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, Jojo. Hello. Hello, Utkarsh. Oh, guys, have you checked our website? Picture is there in the chat. Cool.
Okay. Slowly we'll be start from 8:15 so that we can gather more people because this session is important for everyone because we'll be sharing all the guidelines and all. Yeah, recording will be there, but yeah, live interaction is always the better thing that we feel, right? So bring as many people as you can, and yeah, that's all. Okay, and yeah, Anijhar, Rishi, you guys can share taking the screenshot that yeah we have already started so that the people can come along with us, right? So yeah, you guys just take a screenshot random. The PRs of our team do your work, guys. We need some more people, right? Yeah, Rishi, you will be having. No, no worries. Just you keep on sharing the screen nicely.
Okay.
Yeah, swag quest, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, Shagni, let's start.
Yeah, sure. We can start. Adrita, you there? Fully?
Yeah, yeah. Hello, hello.
Okay, okay. So we can start then. Okay, maybe Shobdulu, you can start with the thing and we'll
I'm
catch
having
up.
British.
Okay, so yeah, hello world hacks. Yeah, so
I was wearing it.
okay, so shall I start?
Or maybe Adrita can.
Yeah, Aditya, go ahead.
Hello, 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 everyone. Those who have joined, I can see around 35 people. So hopefully, the people who have joined have already registered. If not, go and register right now. So basically, why we are doing this live stream and meeting stuff. First of all, this is a hybrid hackathon, you must say, because there will be sessions and stuff. The final will be in offline mode. This is a hackathon that is organized by GTG, RCCIIT, and RCC Techs, and this will be a month-long hackathon. Our hacking period has already started. So, as I said, if you have not registered, do register right now. So, in this live stream or in this, yeah, we will be talking about to give you insights about what the hackathon is about. If you still have any doubts, we will be showing you the proposal which you will write based on what you are willing to build, and we will be clearing all your doubts through this session. So I think we can start off with our procedure, right? It's
Yeah,
already 8:15. Yeah.
yeah. So welcome everyone to Hello World Hacks, hosted by GDG on campus RCCIT and RCC Techs. Welcome everyone to the opening ceremony, the grand opening ceremony. And today we'll be kickstarting off. So Rishi, can you just move to the next slide? Yeah, so what's a hackathon? Probably Shopnandu can give a small introduction to it rather than all the slides.
Okay. So hello guys. Myself, Shopnand Banerjee, representing this means not representing, but a co-organizer of Hello World Hacks. So no need of my
Yeah,
credentials.
so
Just
what's a
I'll be
hackathon?
letting you
Probably
guys
Shop.
know that what is Hello World Hacks, right? So I actually I was means reading the comments from the LinkedIn post that you guys did. Means there were amazing posts, right? So starting means when we start our coding journey as a student, we start with a print hello world, simply write a hello world. So that's why your hackathon journey should also start with just writing a hello world. That was a concept behind giving the name of this hackathon hello world hacks, right? And at the end of the day, we want all the beginners to come up कि भाई don't be afraid of anything, don't be afraid of building any product, right? And that's why we are trying to giving that platform to you guys where you can build product, learn something, right? We are keeping it for 1 month, and when you are spending 1 month with your with the technology, you will be falling in love with that. When we are staying with a person for 1 month, we grow attraction, we grow attachment, girlfriend boyfriend কিছু বলে এগুলোকে, hopefully you guys know. So yeah, why not these technologies are all can also be our partners, but don't say this to your fiance or partners because you will get trashed. I also get, so that's why I'm telling from the experience. But yeah, our motive is to keep you guys in touch with these technologies for 1 month, build some MVP, and just bang the market. So this is our plan totally. We'll be going through various phases. Like we'll be trying to cover the whole SDLC cycle, that is software development life cycle. We'll be trying to cover all, trying from the SRS to documentation. We'll be covering all the stages, right? And I will be giving you the guarantee at the end of May first week you will be having a project, you will be having a product in your hand with which you can brush, you can go to other hackathons, you can make it up, and you can do anything with that. And yeah, we will be calling some finalists. That will be not we rather I'll be calling it as a pitchathon type. Okay, means the people though everyone is selected for Hello World Hacks. Now let's say there are 100 teams, those who are submitting the project initially, and from them we will be picking up 20 to 25 as per the submissions will be coming. We are trying to keeping it a 20% ratio, 20 to 25%. We'll be picking it up and we'll be calling them offline. We'll be having a like that hack and pitch type of thing. And yeah, that's a total model. Everything will be explained in detail by Shagnik and all. So that's all from my end. Okay, so yeah, Shagnik, over to you.
Okay, Rishi, you can move to the next one. Okay, so basically why we do a hackathon, as Swapnendu just said, to us hackathons what it means is that learning a lot, because when we have a target set in mind that okay I need to do these things and stuff, we don't procrastinate, and that's what we need in life, because procrastination is something that tears our life. Connecting with others, you have got around 300 people in the Discord itself. Just connect, share your social medias. We have specifically kept a networking as skill session, and that session as well for this particular purpose. Network with others, because you never know from where the next opportunity can come on. Creating that innovation in your mind on how to product. Today you can make products using Lovable, using Bold.new. There are a lot of things, but that thing in your mind on how to innovate, on how to make something new, is something that you will drive. And finally, on the top of the perks is that winning the prizes. You have seen our entire prize pool. That's a whole lot of thing that I'll coming into. Track
Yes,
prizes are also there. So it's all. So Rishi, can you move to the next one, please? Okay, so what is Hello World X, as Swapnendu shared? So maybe Adrita, you would like to explain?
Yeah, like at the starting only I mentioned it is a month-long hybrid hackathon, and Swapnendu basically covered this part. Like when you are with a project, with a team, with a group of people for 1 month, you generally get attached to it. So that is what we are hoping as well. We are not expecting you to like start off with some hi-fi stuff. You can learn a tech stack, you can build on it. There is
right,
ample time for that, right? So it's for fostering innovation, collaboration, and technical excellence. So there is Discord, go on, network, connect with people. Right. So why join? So it's a hybrid format. You can go to college, give your exams, come back, and then develop. Most of the developers, that's what they do. If you have like 75% attendance criteria, that too. Then real world impact, because you will be building projects. Yeah,
yes,
Shopman, go ahead, please.
I'd just like to interrupt.
Go
Take
ahead.
Adrita the or Adrita as the motivation because she does everything. Okay. Just if you see her mark sheet and her GitHub repo, you'll be getting that why I said that thing. She's an all rounder. Okay. So just take the motivation from her. I'll be saying it.
Yeah, so we will be building real world impactful projects, not just like your to do list or something. I mean, it's okay to start up, but that will not end up like help you end up get a job, right? You have to build real world projects that will solve real world problems. Expert mentorship. If you like visit our socials, you can see the mentors that are present. They are highly qualified. You can ask them, hit them up anytime, and they will be answering your queries. Skill enhancement, of course, when you will be building something, there will be something you don't know. There will be a point where you will get stuck. You will Google up, Chat GPT, anything. So skill enhancement and inclusive and collaborative, as you can go to our social platforms, Discord, you can connect and
Right.
network.
Right.
So that
Use
is
the
basically
Discord very smartly because in the I'll be interacting the other ones. Just I let them know that there is a channel. Ask the mentor. Ask a mentor. Okay. तो जाओ वहां पे जाओ, कोई भी मेंटर है, @mentor डालोगे तो मेंटर तुमको दिखने को मिल जाएगा। वेबसाइट में जाओ, देखो तुमको कौन से फील्ड में तुमको हेल्प चाहिए, वेब, ऐप, AML, deployment, cloud, anything, cyber security, anything that you are wanting to build, you will be getting the personalized guidance from them. If we will be seeing that, yeah, 20 to 30 people are facing problem on something or need a guidance on a particular topic, we can host the personalized sessions for them as well. So we just want single thing from you guys, that be in the process, be in the total flow of this hackathon. You will be getting to learn something, you will be getting to build something, and you will be getting to experience something exceptional. That's all.
Exactly, exactly. So, Shwapnendu told that this is the overview. We are not asking you to just go on and build a project. We are providing you mentors. Go ask them for help. If you don't have an idea, ask them. You can ask them, ask in the group for ideas, collaborate with people. So that is the motive of Hello World Hacks. That after 1 month, you are in a better position that you are right now, right? So that is the point. Next slide, please.
Okay, so yeah, so what's our process flow? We are starting from April 12th, right today. So our journey starts from today. We'll be providing you with a proposal format, and we'll be also discussing with you just now after this PPT is done that how you'll be writing the proposal. We'll have a dedicated session for that as well. That is on the next part. Now, this in this proposal format, what I was saying was, if we consider for the entire software development life cycle, we write an SRS documentation. So it's not like that, but it's a much simpler way, just like you make your PPTs or something. But instead of that, you will write. Use any AI tools, whatever you need, but the ideation should be yours. That what you are trying to build, why you are trying to build that thing, what is the novelty, what is the innovation of it. So you will be writing up that what will be the technology stack you are thinking that you can use. Everyone who will be writing that proposal and submitting, all proposals are accepted by default. We are not segregating anyone based on their proposal. So don't have that worry that if I am not writing a proposal, or I haven't written ever, or I haven't made a PPT ever regarding this, what I'll do. You have the format, use all the technologies you have, write a proposal, use your innovation. That's the main point of it. And then our mentors will help you out to make it much more better. This will go till 20th. That's why our hackathon period basically starts from 20th. But this part from 12 to 20th, we have got that proposal writing period. It's still 16 around, but probably we will extend that for as well. But 20th, from 20th itself, we'll be starting with the building phase. That's a fixed time. You will get the next 15 days to implement your ideas. Those who are having, you will be having a GitHub repo, that will be a public GitHub repo. You will initialize after 20th. That's a must thing. You should not initialize or write any code before 20th. So after 20th April, you will be starting to write your code, and you will initialize the GitHub repo. In the next 15 days, whatever you will need, there will be various sessions. If you have gone through the portfolio, over there we have listed. We'll provide you with a Notion doc as well as in the Discord. There will always be updates. For the next 15 days, you will be building whatever you are thinking you can. You have your entire time for the 15 days. You will be learning and you will be building along with your team. And after that, you will be having the documentation writing. That is, you will be writing an article in Medium or in dev.to or in Hashnote. It can be any place. We'll again take submissions for that. Or doing all these three things marks your completion for the hackathon. And then finally, will as Swapnendu was saying, we'll be calling 20 to 25 teams based on the submissions. And obviously the teams which will be out of Kolkata or would not be available to come, we'll provide them with the online provision as well. That will be a kind of pitchathon. We'll let you know about that. No worries. So it's that's why it's hybrid. So even if you're outside West Bengal, there is nothing to worry, because you can still participate, and if you come in the top 25, you can still be there and win the prizes. Okay, Rishike, you can just move to the next slide. Okay, so prizes that you can win. For the first prize, it's $100 cash prize. Apart from that, there will be various other prizes from our sponsors and partners as well. The second prize is a whopping $50, and for the third prize is $30. For the best hack that you build using Ethereum, it's again a $100 prize that will be directly given by Deffolio. For the best beginners team, we are providing you who are doing their first hackathon as an encouragement prize. We are giving $25 to the best beginners team because Hello World Hacks is all about beginners as well as the experienced one, everyone. And for the best all girls team, we are also providing a $25 as a prize. Rishi, you can move to the next one.
Surprise, surprise as an actor. Yes, yes,
And
yes.
okay, so track prizes. So here is the surprises. Surprise, Shopnanu, you want to say?
No, no, you continue. We continue.
Okay. So yeah, we are having the track prizes. For this is something, just listen carefully. For everyone who makes a successful full stack project on Aptos or Stellar, I am telling for everyone, it's not a single prize. For everyone who will be making a successful project on Aptos, will get $25 as a money, prize money.
Yes, this is the very good catch. Any project. Let's say I, Adrida and Shagnik, we are a team, right? And we are submitting for a particular project. Do that. Do that.
Yeah.
Apart from that, if you okay, let me switch on my camera.
Hmm.
Apart from that, if you want to personally earn something, it's earning, not winning, earning. Any full stack project that you are building on any one of these stacks, or if you want to build two projects on these two stacks, go ahead, we don't
Right.
have any issue, because we will be taking that submission separately in Aptos and for Aptos and Stellar. And every project will have $25. Just calculate 25 into 85, you'll be getting the value. And two 15, it is a gig of 5,000 rupees almost.
Yeah.
Just think, guys, we are bringing such opportunities for you guys. And Shagnik, for 21st and 22nd, are we planning something?
Yeah, I guess for 21st and 22nd in Kolkata, RCCID. Probably we
Again,
are
we are
planning
planning
something.
something. Yes, again offline, pizza, অনেক কিছু,
Okay.
right? So
Lots of things.
Shagnik, continue.
So we'll reveal that. No worries. So this is the biggest thing over here. If you are making this you can make apart from your submission that you will be doing in Netfolio. Every project that you make using Aptos or Stellar, you will get $25. So that's a good one. Okay, Rishi, you can maybe move to the next one. Okay, I would say Aditya to just introduce everyone who are all the backbones for this hackathon.
Yeah, without these people, this wouldn't have been like possible.
Yes,
So Shapnendu
means
Banerjee
no, no, no.
is here. Then Shayon Moyuk. I think
Literally,
people
I
from
would like
RCC.
to, yeah, I would just like to take some of the special shout outs, right? Means if you have seen our website, helloworldhacks.tech, it's amazing, right? I feel it amazing. So Rishi and Devayut, these two guys have led the team to make such a good
Hmm.
website. Just এটুকু বলার ছিল. And there is one person in the right side corner, Shostika Bose, that she's our guide in all the senses, and she has helped us immensely making this hackathon possible till now. And we have a long mile to walk together. Over to Adrita. Continue. Sorry for interruption.
Like he introduced, so Rishi is there, Debayut is there, then we have our PRs, Moyuk, Shoronika is there, Shostika Di has always been like our guide at every point, every direction. Then Hirok is there, right? Next slide. Shayun is there. Okay, so I am Adrita and here is Shatvik. So uh, then we have our Omega Ranger, like Shomi, Tirtho, Seoshi, Onirban. So if you are from RCC, you know them of course, but if
And
you are not
without them,
here, say
our graphics, our videos, everything. Those are the people.
everything.
Like just Rishi, can you just move to the previous slide once? Yeah. So like this, Hirok is there, and then Shoronika is there. Without them, Hirok provides us with all the things for the graphics that we ever need. And without Sharanika, all the postings that we do on our social media is just not
Impossible.
to be
Impossible.
honest. Moyuk provides us with that hordes of ideas on what to do for our social media. And Shayon, he's all our logistics guy as well as he is the DevOps mentor for you. So just pinging up
Yes.
anytime, he is always available and just disturb him a lot for anything related to cloud. He is happy to help. Okay, and
He's
Shobnendu,
very
I just
sweet. He
don't
will
need,
help you out with everything.
and Shobnendu, I don't need to introduce. We are the core group who works. So okay, maybe Rishi, move to the next one. Okay, so it's me and Sadrita. Okay, move to the next.
I'll introduce them. Actually, so there is Shagnik Datto, the current lead organizer of GDG on campus RCC IT, and then there is Adrita, RCC takes. If they didn't give us the permission to organize such a beautiful hackathon, we couldn't. So thank you, and a round of applause for both the leads who are leading from the leading ki yeah, leading from the front. Actually, how you baje boli
Yeah,
hai,
yeah.
sorry.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, they are the leads, right? So round
Yes.
of applause for them. Yeah.
Rishi move to
Okay,
the
go
next.
ahead, Shagni.
Then there is Shayamdeep and Ankur. They are also part of the graphics team and they have just worked tirelessly day and night, both of them and the entire graphics team. Whenever we needed anything, they have been always there at the first to help us. And then comes our Shadow Rangers. Nidjot, you can see him Discord. In the Discord, he's always there in the
Very good
Discord,
guy.
always active, and he's
Discord, community partner, evangelist, everywhere is there.
Means
everywhere.
being a first year student, he managed lots of things. He walked like a third year guy like us. Okay. So a round of applause for him as well. Because being a first year, he came up and he did lots of things. Right. Thank you, Nature. Yeah.
Okay, Aditya, you can continue.
Sorry for interruptions.
Yeah, then we have Tanisha, who is also like our social media, who handles our social media. So every post you see, more or less, she is the one curating it. Then we have Meghna, Shatra, Shreyashan. These all are the people who generally handle our socials. So the posts that you are able to see, the creativity behind what post will go where, that is also handled by these people. So a huge thanks to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rishi, move to the next one. Yeah.
Similarly, Devjoy handles all the community partners, evangelist is managing that part very well. Then we have Pragya and Shoham. So these
Yeah,
are the people
again, two
from
first year peeps. Aditya,
first
do a
year
shout out to them.
people. Yeah, a huge shout out to them. So they are
They
also
have been
helping.
helping Rishi and Debal in the tech team, so they holds a lot. Okay. Rishi, move to the next one, please. Okay, if you haven't been in Discord still, you can just join over there. And then I think Adrita, you can just after this you can share your screen, and then we can just show them how the proposal would be like, and just have a small discussion regarding this. Just tell
Right,
when you will
right.
be ready.
Just a second. Sharing my screen. So it's visible, right?
Yeah, hopefully. Yes. Is it visible in YouTube? I'm just trying to check.
Just a second.
Yeah, now it's visible. Now it's
Yeah,
visible.
yeah. Yeah.
So please, guys, share with your teammates. So Amra will be sharing this thing with the good description in the group, and this recording will be there. But then also, those are present. Please guide your
Hmm.
friends if they are facing any problem. Okay. So yeah, go ahead, Amrita.
Okay, Adrita, you can just explain how the process
Yeah,
works.
so basically, first I would like to address some questions that I've got.
Adrita, can
So,
you zoom a little bit? This one?
Yes,
Just
Amrita.
close the
Control
side.
plus. Control plus. Sorry. Oh yeah. Hmm.
just a second. This is all right, right? We can,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So first, I would like to address some questions, right? Okay, why shall I write a proposal in a hackathon? What is its importance and
Well,
stuff? I've got all these questions. But let me tell you, once you have a fixed proposal, you know what you are building, you know the tech stack. This proposal is not final. Just because this is the proposal, it doesn't mean that you cannot deviate from it. There is no such thing. But once you make a proposal, once you have a written document in hand, you will know what to build, you will know what to focus on, right? You might build on it, like you can add features, but you will not be like confused on, okay, we are building this, then next day we are building something else. So that confusion will not happen. And the main purpose of this proposal is basically, as we said, like the SDLC life cycle. So from SRS, the documents that you will have when you are working on a real world project will be similar to this, not exactly like this, but similar to this, right? So that is why we have introduced this. So if I just show you the brief and what to write, so here is the format. So here is the project name. You will write your project name, any name you can give. So then your team name, then the theme, right? So maybe you are using AI or Web3, and there can be multiple themes. It's mentioned over here so that you don't have any doubt, right? So any theme you can work on. You can go to the our website and see the available themes. Also, there is open innovation. So you want to add something, bring something new, ponder upon a new problem statement, you can go on with that as well, no problem. Then we have the team members. You might have less than 4 members, that is fine. Like 2 is minimum, 4 is max. So even if it's less than 4, it's fine. So just fill in the details like member name, email, and phone number. That's simple as that. So a short description. This is a brief overview of the project in 2 to 3 sentences. Like if you are building on something like healthcare sector, right? So you can write a brief overview of what the project will do, what you are thinking upon building. Just a small thing, right? 2 to 3 sentences max. Then comes your problem statement. This is the place you will define on what is the problem you are choosing to solve. When we said hackathon, I think up till now you have come to understand that hackathon means solving a problem, right? Try to like do a bit of market study on what the problems are there and build on that. Don't create a problem and make a solution. That's what some people do in hackathons. Don't do that. Don't create a problem and then make a solution. Find the problem that is already existing, right? So highlight the challenges faced by users, industries related to this problem. Right? It can be in any sector you find. Okay. Then the proposed solution. So you have found the problem. Now the solution you propose, right? Not like you think maybe something in the healthcare sector can be made better. So propose a solution on how it can be made better. What are you thinking upon? How did the idea come up, right? So propose solution on how you can solve the problem. A high level overview, of course. Then comes the project overview. Here you will mention about the objectives of your project, what your project will do, how it will help, like accessibility, automating a task, increase efficiency. Here you will be mentioning the approach and the workflow on how you will build this project. Just a second. Yeah. Any research work on any data collection that you have found, and the core features of your product, right? Of the product you will be proposing to us or pitching in the final round. So in this project overview, we are asking you to write about your project so that we can understand what your project is about. The prior statements were more or less your idea of how to solve the problem, but project overview is the product that will solve the problem, and you have to describe what your product will do, right? Then comes novelty and innovation. Now, hopefully, you all know the meaning of novelty. If you don't, it's the newness, the originality. Why is your product, different from the products present in the market? Like you can simply copy a product and give it to a hackathon. Will that be very interesting or mind-boggling? No. When you come to a hackathon, you build a product that is unique, that is different from the ones present in the market. So that is the novelty we are expecting. You have to write why your project is different, where is the originality of your pro- product, sorry, and the innovation that has brought in. So any innovative approach, feature, or method that sets it apart from the things that are already present, the things that we can already search over the web. Nice to have additional features. This is where if you are thinking like, oh, this is my product, but maybe it can have some additional features like this. If I have time, I will be building on it, right? So these are the things that can go on here, or you can also take this as a future scope, what you will be building on future on that MVP you are providing us. Then comes the tech stack. This is again, I said, this is not the final thing. You can use more than the tech stack you are providing in the proposal. It's completely fine. This is just an example. You can see, like for front end, someone might use Next.js, for back end, Node.js, and Express.js. So you can just give us an overview of what you are using. Simply that you can use more, less, no problem. Just so that we can have an overview on what your tech stack looks like, we are asking this from you, right? And then comes the final conclusion of why you are building this project, how it contributes to the world, like what are the how it will solve a problem and bring an impact. So this is more or less our proposal format. It's very simple. Every instruction is given. You can see there is nothing. I don't think there is anything like that is confusing. If there is, you can just write in the chat. I'm following up. Or you can ask in the Discord group as well. We are always there to help you out. Right? I think there is no problem. We will be sharing the format very soon. Don't worry about that. Right?
Yeah, we'll be sharing this along with the Notion link with all the guidelines on the evolution and all. For the project proposal, let me be clear. For the project proposal, whatever proposal you will be given, you will be not sorted or selected kind of on basis of that, but we will provide feedback. The mentors will provide feedback based on that proposal. And finally, the evaluation, there will be a mid evaluation in the building phase as well. If you have seen, if you have gone through the portfolio timeline, you have seen that there is a mid evaluation phase. So we'll be having that as well. And then there will be a final evaluation. All the factors, all the guidelines will be providing you in the Notion doc itself. We'll provide you that by tonight, so don't worries. And we'll provide with the proposal link as well, so you have got a brief overview on the proposal. So maybe you can just ideate your processes, and we'll provide with a Google form link for right for this proposal. So you will be submitting your proposal in that particular Google form, and then in the building phase, after making that project, that one you will be putting it in the portfolio. Okay, so let me just share my screen and go through our mentors as one as well. We'll tag the mentors in the Discord as well so that you know them. We'll do that as well. No worries. Just, just a moment. Let me share my
One
screen.
more thing, try to follow the format that is given. Don't like go out of the way. We will not be judging, but it's always good if you try to follow a format, right? So that's one more thing.
Yes, yes. Keep the format as same. That's why we are providing the format, right? So yeah, if you go through our website also as well. So as you can see, we are here. First, now this is the proposal filtering that will start from. Filtering means just will check out and give the feedback. You have a deadline of April 18. If that extends, we'll just provide you with that. All the session details, more or less, these are having the same, and we are starting the hacking period from April 21, means 21 night itself that will start. So we'll let you know with the Notion doc. Our everything will be kept on with the Notion doc, and we'll be following the Notion doc devotedly. We are having lots of sessions, as you can see, as well as we'll put a mentor-mentee connect with you guys so that you can. That's why we set the tech stack. Write your tech stack so that we can connect accordingly. The mentors with you will help you out. and the mentors will be available in Discord, so you can just ping them over there as well, and you can do. And as Swapnand was saying previously, if there is a need for anything, for any app or other sessions that you want, it's all the Discord. You write it and we'll bring it to you. We have lots of sessions to this. All will be introductory sessions, and this and everyone will provide you with the docs and the resources which you will need to write it, to do the hackathon. So no worries regarding that as well. So that goes, and let me just introduce you guys to our mentors. Once we are currently having this mentors, and probably will be having more by the time you will start building your project. So yeah, we are having Manish Shah for as your Web3 mentor. From here, you can go to their socials as well, and you can just text them from there as well if you want to and connect with them, and you will have them as Discord as well. There is Aditya for DevOps. There is Devopom for Web3. There is Shayon for DevOps. For cybersecurity, there is Anurag. For Shinjon, he is for DevOps again as well. Nasiruddin is for AIML. For app, it's Supratim. For AIML, it's Moyuk Haldar. For cybersecurity, you have got Shubham Banerjee again. You have got Vinay for DevOps. You have got Krishnendu for web. You have got Aritur Basu for web. And you have got Aman Buddha. So you can just go through their profiles and you can easily understand that how much they have worked in the industry and what help they can give you from the industry perspective as well. So yeah, do check that out. And just now let me go to the Devfolio site once, because we'll be updating in the Devfolio as well. Let my website load. Yeah, let me share the Devfolio. Won't be taking much of your time. Okay, so those who haven't registered till now, do register over here and bring on more of your friends. And one thing more, if you haven't received your tickets, just fill this form. We have provided it itself over here as well. If you haven't filled this, just fill it form, because we are providing the tickets based on this fill up. So we'll be checking you guys. So just fill this form. We'll check everything based on this form. It is given as a mandatory. You need to do. Just let me go through the themes once. Is there is AI, there is decentralized future, there is health tech and wellness, there is green tech, there is fintech. So when you are writing in the proposal, as you get the format, so in the themes place, you can just write all these themes that whatever you will be choosing, and there is open innovation obviously. Over here, if you come, you can see in the schedule that we have put the entire timeline, that whatever needs to be done. Like today is the opening ceremony, we have put it. Proposal demo session we have thought on 13th. If we're changing the date, maybe we can just switch it. Similarly, all these entire timelines have been updated here. So you will get the Notion doc, as well as you have the timeline over here as well. So you can just go through, so you can easily understand that whatever we'll do, and we will have the entire connections to Discord. So definitely join through Discord. If you haven't joined, just you can go through this page, and we have all our socials over here, so you can definitely join us from here as well. Okay, I think that's pretty much about our today's session. Okay, so yeah, let me see if there are any doubts in the YouTube, or else we can conclude, hopefully. Okay, Adrita, you there?
Yeah, yeah. There. Just going through the chat once.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so Discord server link, yeah, you can just get it from the Devfolio itself, or our website also, you can get that link. Over there, there is currently no WhatsApp group. We are operating to Discord as well. Who are the judges? Judges will be revealed soon, but mentors are your first line of judges. And for the finals day, there will be different judges. We are figuring that out. So yeah, those will be industry experts as well from academics, from industry, from everyone will get the judges. And mentors will be your first line of judges who will be judging your project as well, because and take their feedback, because that's very much important. So Adita, I think that's pretty much for today's meet with them for the
Yeah,
opening
yeah.
ceremony.
Yeah, if you have any doubt, please like ask here also, or you can ask on the Discord channel. So we will be answering or catering to that as well.
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
yeah.
I, and please, guys, do register. Do like start off with a brainstorming at least, so that you can
Mhm.
come up with the project very soon. And yeah, for the Daptos and Stellar, those are wonderful opportunities to try building on that as well. That is what
And
I
we'll
would like to
have
say.
sessions and boot camps as well. So no worries. We'll help you out to means learn those things so that you can make and call in all your friends, because Hello World Hacks should be the first hackathon of you guys. Should be that stepping stone so that you can go to next bigger hackathons, right? Because if you don't have that stepping stone, you will have that issue. So there is never the time that I should have started. You should start, and that's your time. Hello World Hacks. So call in more of your friends. Let them start their first journey, their first project with this.
Yeah, we are very excited to see all of your
Yeah.
projects, your innovative ideas. So I think that will be it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So we can conclude. Thank you guys for
thank
joining.
you guys for
We have
joining.
done.
Everyone.
Yeah. And for any doubts and all, you can ping in the Discord, right, Adita?
Yeah, yeah. Everyone is there to help you out. Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining.
Thanks.
Okay. Rishi,